So it happens to be that time again. The iPhone 11 Pro hit the market. Time to update my fast charging test. The iPhone 11 Pro actually gets an 18-watt charger in the box. Obviously, it's not going to be faster than some of these other devices on the table, but I still want to see how it stacks up compared to some of these smartphones. Now, on the left-hand side, I have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is a 4300 milliamp battery, and it's using a 25-watt charger. I know you can go out and buy a 45-watt charger, but it's expensive, and I imagine most people will just use the 25-watt charger in the box. Next up is the OnePlus 7 Pro. This has a 4000 milliamp battery, 30-watt charger. Huawei P30 Pro. This has a 40-watt charger in the box and a 4200 milliamp battery. iPhone 11. I'm not exactly sure the size of the battery, but websites are saying it's around 3046 milliamps. It comes with a 5-watt charger in the box, but I'm going to be using an 18-watt charger because I really don't want to wait 4 hours for this device to charge. And last up is the iPhone 11 Pro, and it's going to be using the 18-watt charger that comes in the box. So all of these devices were drained down to 0%. All of these phones are using their original chargers that came in the box, except for the iPhone 11, because I wanted to speed up this process. If you don't use an 18-watt charger with the iPhone 11, it will take 4 hours to charge the device. Now, after 30 minutes, the iPhone 11 Pro was at 57%. The iPhone 11 at 38%. Huawei P30 Pro is at 69%. OnePlus 7 Pro at 60%, and the Note 10 Plus at 68%. I'm not surprised that the P30 Pro is in first place. It does have a 40-watt charger, therefore it should charge faster than all of these devices. Now, after 1 hour, the iPhone 11 Pro is at 86%. The iPhone 11 is at 72%, Huawei P30 Pro is at 98%, OnePlus 7 Pro at 92%, and the Note 10 Plus is at 95%. The Note 10 Plus is doing a good job of keeping up with the P30 Pro, but again, because it has faster charging, it's still in first place. Now, after 1 hour and 4 minutes, the Huawei P30 Pro finishes first, winning this battery charge test. A minute later, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus hits 100% and comes into second place. After 1 hour and 12 minutes, the OnePlus 7 Pro is at 98%, the iPhone 11 at 83%, and the iPhone 11 Pro at 94%. Exactly 5 minutes later, the OnePlus 7 Pro hits 100%, becoming the third phone to reach 100% in this charge test. After 1 hour and 28 minutes, the iPhone 11 Pro hits 99%, the iPhone 11 at 92%. It looks like the iPhone 11 is starting to close the gap, but the 11 Pro is still in first place. Now, exactly 7 minutes later, at 1 hour and 35 minutes, the iPhone 11 Pro hits 100%. This is a big difference compared to last year's iPhone XS. Now, finally, after 2 hours and 7 minutes, the iPhone 11 finally hits 100%. Now again, I'm not surprised that the Huawei P30 Pro won this entire competition because it has the faster charger. At the end of the day, this is charging more milliamps per minute than any other device on this table. If I had the Oppo R17 here, it would obviously win because of the SuperVOOC charging, but based on all of these devices, Huawei Supercharge still reigns supreme. Anyways, that wraps up this charge test. Let me know in the comments below what other devices you want to see in my next charging test, and I'd be happy to implement it. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.